Hello, budget-savvy decorators. Today, we're exploring how to elevate your windows without breaking the bank. Stylish window blinds don't have to be expensive. Join me as we discover budget-friendly options that bring both flair and affordability to your space. 1. Introduction to budget-friendly blinds. Introduce the idea of stylish yet budget-friendly blinds. Explain how cost-effective options don't compromise on quality or aesthetics. Let's dive into some fantastic choices that won't strain your wallet. 2. Roller blinds, sleek and versatile. Roller blinds are a fantastic budget-friendly option. They offer a sleek design, come in various colors and textures, and provide excellent light control without sacrificing style or affordability. 3. Faux wood blinds, affordable elegance. Faux wood blinds mimic the look of real wood but are more budget-friendly. They bring elegance and warmth to your space, offering durability and resistance to moisture without the higher price tag. 4. Cellular shades, energy-efficient style. Cellular shades are another great choice. Their honeycomb design provides insulation, making them energy-efficient. They come in budget-friendly options and add a touch of style to your windows. 5. Vinyl blinds, practical and cost-effective. Vinyl blinds are practical, easy to clean, and come in various colors and textures. They're an affordable option that doesn't compromise on style, making them perfect for budget-conscious decorators. 6. Mix and match style, creative solutions. Get creative by mixing and matching different budget-friendly styles. Combine roller blinds with curtains or layer various blinds for a personalized and stylish look that suits your taste and budget. And there you have it, budget-friendly blinds that add style without straining your wallet. If you found these options helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more budget-friendly decor ideas, and share in the comments your favorite affordable window treatment or any budget-friendly design tips you swear by. Thanks for watching, and here's to stylish windows on a budget.